Who could have foreseen this? We were saying this is the ban zone. I saw this move. I said, it could be the bottom. Boom. ETH BTC. This is the first time this entire cycle in 5 years, the first time that we're actually seeing ETH BTC uptrend. We've never been in an alt cycle, a meme coin pump, a altcoin run, this entire cycle in which ETH was outperforming BTC, creating a headwind, creating a tailwind for our altcoins. It's the first time. And you see that ETH is chatting and Bitcoin is moving sideways. Why? Because Ethereum is finally starting to get some of its value back against Bitcoin. Because up in here, ETH was at 4,000 when Bitcoin was at like 60K. Here, ETH is less than 4,000 while Bitcoin's at 120K. That's why this chart went down. So the value of one Ethereum went down against a Bitcoin because Bitcoin's worth a lot more now, but Ethereum's worth the same, if not less. That's why this chart moved down. Now we're finally starting to get a move up, which means that one Ethereum is becoming more valuable against a Bitcoin. That's what we need for a true vault season. This is what we need here. This move back up higher. And what are we looking for? We're looking for this puppy right here. This supply zone. This bounce that took place right here. Clear demand. Clear demand. When we lost it, it was over. This is in May of 24. Okay. We get this pumping back up higher into here. And oh my goodness, imagine if we broke through. If we broke through, disgusting. Disgusting numbers. Because one Ethereum will be worth more against a Bitcoin than previous. So we got this fantastic tailwind on ETH BTC. This is also why we know ETH is going to continue to outperform this cycle. Look what we were talking about with Sol ETH. So this chart signifies Solana paired against Ethereum. If this chart is going up, Solana is outperforming, gaining more value than Ethereum, and vice versa. If Ethereum's doing better, this chart moves down. We have this upward channel. You build long to go short, right? Build long to go short. So we had this upward channel. We lose it here in May of 25. Ever since Ethereum's been fucking crushing. Once we lost this upward channel, this was such a significant channel that once we lost it, look, puke. And we've been saying that. I've been saying that on the stream. Puke, dead, died. This is coming all the way back down into here. Once again, ETH season. So if you're not already positioned in the correct ETH memes, I suggest you do so. If you're not already positioned in the correct ETH, use case tokens like Aave, fucking all the DeFi protocol tokens, Uniswap, etc. If you're not already positioned in those, you need to do so very quickly because they're going to continue to outperform. If you need to know which ones and when and how much and when to sell, join the Taylor's Code. Link is in the description. Okay? Join the Taylor's Code. Join as a gentleman. You're going to get access to the private Discord. You're going to get access to the private crypto place section of the Discord. We're going to get access to myself and see all of my positioning, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, all the analysis, all the TA, 7 days a week, as opposed to waiting on stream. It's also a link in my Twitter bio, thetaylorscode.com. Join, and I'll get you set up before this actual real pump takes place.